diet so powerful it can literally slow down aging. Not a gimmick, not a celebrity cleanse. I'm talking about a science-backed way of eating that rewires how your cells burn energy, repairs damage, and adds years to your life. This is the new longevity diet, and it's flipping everything we thought we knew about healthy eating. Longevity problem. Here's the harsh truth. Most diets are built for short-term results. Lose weight fast, get shredded, fit into jeans for summer. But longevity? That's the marathon. What scientists are uncovering is that what you eat doesn't just affect your waistline. It rewires how your mitochondria, your cell power plants function. The wrong diet burns you out early. The right one can literally make your cells act younger. Principles of the longevity diet. So what is this diet? It's not about eating less, it's about eating smarter. Researchers like Dr. Walter Longo, one of the top longevity scientists, have pinpointed the key. 1. Plant-heavy, protein-light. More vegetables, legumes, whole grains, less animal protein, but not zero. Think small portions of fish, not a 16-ounce steak. 2. Healthy fats only. Olive oil, nuts, avocado. These fuel your body without triggering inflammation. 3. Fasting rhythms. Not starving yourself, but eating within a time window, like 12 hours on, 12 off, to give your cells recovery time. 4. Low sugar, low refined carbs, because those spike insulin, age your cells faster, and drive disease. It's basically teaching your body to spend more time in repair mode than damage mode. Let's get geeky for a second. When you eat constantly, especially high-sugar, high-protein meals, your body turns on growth signals like IGF-1 and mTOR. That's great for building muscle short-term, but it accelerates aging long-term. The longevity diet lowers those signals just enough while activating pathways like AMPK and autophagy. Fancy words for your cells cleaning house. Translation? You're literally clearing out broken proteins and damaged DNA before they turn into disease. This isn't theory. Lab studies on animals and human trials show reduced cancer risk, better brain health, and longer lifespans. Start today. All right, enough science. How do you live this? Swap breakfast cereal for oats with nuts and berries. Build lunch around beans, lentils, or veggies. Drizzle with olive oil. Dinner? A small piece of salmon with a mountain of greens. Cut snacks down and let 12 to 14 hours pass between dinner and breakfast. This isn't deprivation. It's fuel that keeps your body in repair mode instead of breakdown mode. Big picture. Listen, diets come and go, but the longevity diet isn't a trend. It's about syncing with how your body was designed to function. Eat for energy today and for decades more tomorrow. Because if you want to stay sharp, strong, and disease-free, it's not about quick fixes. It's about eating to live longer. If this hit you, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop in the comments. Would you try the longevity diet, or do you think it's too strict?